There they go, there they go. They mixed in. So we bang. Just let them out. Get together. They mixed in real nice. 38 strong. I don't know how much he let out. It looked like he let out like 20, I guess. Looking real good. Looking real good. Looking really, really nice. Paint going by. Wow, nice action. Nice action. Nice action. Really nice. This is what they do. Check them out. Wow. It's cloudy today. It's not sunny. No sun. No sun. No sun. There they go. Way out there. Watch them pull out. But I damn near got caught because my people kept deep, and now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax, and strap on. There you go, looking good. Never been on a ride like this before. With a producer who can rap and control the maestro. At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick. You know and I know I flow some old funky shit. Real good. You know where they're gonna go back to? There you go. So this is called the checkup. I bought him birds. He got birds, so I try to take some of his and he try to catch some of mine. That's the way it works. It's like competition, yeah. Yeah. So mine are in there. You see, they're hooking, right? And when they're ready, they'll just pull out. Yeah, I got them trained, so they'll pull out. There they come. There you go. Still doing that thing, hooking real nice. It's a cloudy day. When it's cloudy, birds take longer to get home. That's the way it is. Looking real nice. Hope I'm getting all of this. Tuesday, 17. Got the date right today. 17. Didn't even feed the birds. Just went and packed them. Rushed out the house and brought them out here. Right? Doing their thing. I'm getting all of this. Check it out. Blue on the floor. I'm gonna check up in here. Check up. Check up. Yesterday, check up. They didn't mix. Today, they mixed really, really well. Every single bird mixed. But I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn. See you when PTO in the city they call Long Beach. Put the shit together like my nigga DOC. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and there they go. Like that, like this, and like that, and it's like this. Then who gives a fuck about those? So just chill to the next episode. Here they come, here they come. Here they come, right here. There you go. I'm gonna pull out. Yes. There you go, watch. There go mine pulling on the left, watch. There you go. There you go, they pulling now, there you go. See the ones on the left? Those are mine. I'm gonna pull. And yesterday was a nicer day, it was nice and sunny, today it's cloudy. When it's cloudy, you know, birds take longer to get home for whatever reason, but they still make it home. I'm taking them further out, in the clouds. Yep.
Oh my God.
Just look it up on YouTube. You'll see the video on YouTube. YouTube. Yo, looking good, looking good. Looking good. All right, check out the action. Check it out. Here we go. Check out the action. There they come. There they come. There they come. Come. Swinging real nice. Fly like homers now. Nice and straight. Now they right over his loft. They back took again. They're going back the other way now. Let's see what happens. Should be pooling any moment now. If it was sunny, they would have been out already. But like I said, when it's cloudy, it take a little longer. They'll pull out any moment now. They're gonna hit. They're gonna pull out. Watch this. Want to get it all on video. Yeah, right. They'll have to fly too to get them though.
Well, I'll be honest with you, they look for those alley cats.
Yeah.
They're not as smart as the birds that've been around. Although they do fly really well.
Yeah. Go. Right, cooking real nice. Right over. No sun, super cloudy. No fear. I bring them. I don't care if it's cloudy, sunny. People say, oh, I can't take them out because it's cloudy today. Bullshit. They still go home. Bullshit. They still go home. Check it out. Watch. It right here. Right over us. Perfect. Nice. There you go. A lot of video today. There you go. A lot of action. A lot of action. Wait for them to pull out. Been a few minutes now. Right over me now. I'm getting all of this. There you go. I'm just pull out. I'll put in my car and go home. Behind the tree. You know, they're starting to pull. The one on the left wants to pull. He wants to pull. Pull, there you go. That's the way you do it. Gotta push it a lot. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this, watch this. Almost did it. There you go, there you go. There you go. There you go, they hit again, they hit again. It was just about to pull out. She just dragged the whole stuff out there. Take them. Let's see what happens. Take them all back. Take them all to Co-op City. Go ahead. Take them all. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. There you go. They're pulling. Check them out. Check them out. I hope I'm catching all of it. There they go. See, he's stuck in the back. Look at my shit's pulling out. Look at my shit's pulling out. There you go. Check my shit's out. It's pulling out. Check them out. Oh. Back again. Shit, they pulled them back. So they were out right there. They were like real close to being out right there. They're climbing. They get higher, they're gonna be out. There you go. They're gonna try it again. There you go. There go the one bird pulling out. There's one pulling out right there. See it? They're trying to pull the birds out. Tug of war happening big time. There you go, there they go, there they go. They go that turn. Oh, they go that turn. Yeah, take as many as you can. Come on, come on, take as many as you can. Yeah, turn them, turn them, turn them. There you go. Turn them. There you go. I hope that little stock don't leave without these. Come back, come back. Yeah, hit them again, hit them again, hit them again. Hit them again. There you go. Grab them again, grab them again. Come on. Yeah, grab them again. There you go. go. Yeah, keep them in there. Take them all together. I don't want half. There you go. Right over me. Real nice checkup. This is what I'm talking about. This is what it's all about. Oh, shit. There they go. Trying to pull out. You see him on the left. You see him. You almost took some of them. It's real close, man. You gotta pull out hard. And they'll get them. They're climbing. That's good. Way up there. Yeah, up there now. If you just go down the dots, just pull out. Alright, take this out. Take this out. I'm getting all of this. Look at them pulling. Look at them pulling. Look at them pulling. Take it out. Take it out. Look at the chain. Look at the chain. Take out the chain. Take out the chain. Take out the chain. Oh, there they go. Wham! They gone. They out. Take them out. They gone. The chain pulling out. Take them out. Check them out. They out. They out. They out of here. They out of here. Check them out. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Look at Ronnie do shit. I don't know how many he had, but he got a little bit of birds right there. Stock broke out. Pulled a lot of them. Check it out. I don't know how many he let out, but I think he let out more than that. Got to have a few in there. They'll probably turn around on the way back, or if they stick with them, be back at them. No, ain't none of mine here. About it. Anyway, I'm on my way home later. They beat me back again. And they already ran in. That's how fast they got back. So, I bet you they're all here. I'll check real quick to see. But they all left together, so I doubt it if anything stayed behind. Let me take a look. This is post checkup. Didn't lose anything. Everything came back. The ones that came back are inside already. These are some Canadians from that coop and my Izzy's in Labatt's. Look at them. Way out there. It disappeared for a while. Because over here, where I'm at, as soon as you let out the birds, the cooper comes. So I was chasing them. And as birds come down, he starts chasing them, trying to grab them. Not to mention, sometimes I get hit from the top and the bottom, falcon. But he's been chasing them. They've been up there, they know he's here, so they stay up there. Earlier the falcon was chasing them, they came low. Falcon left. Cooper came, they went back up. They've been up for a while, more than an hour. So this is how they do it, they fly. Them birds fly, fly, fly. They were way out there, just way out there by the time it was fall. There's some hawks right there. That's the red tail, doesn't bother me. It's that Cooper is the problem. Look at him. Anyway, post checkup, let me just say that nice checkup. All my birds came home. So damn Cooper right there. And the red tail over here. They came home and got them all back. Took 38. Took the 38 strong out. 38 strong came back. No problem. Got them all back. Ronnie said he dropped the bird. I don't know who bird he dropped, but when he told me that, I went in the coop, took all the birds out. I wasn't missing anything, so I don't know what bird he dropped. He didn't drop my bird. And if he did, maybe the bird snuck in without me knowing, but I counted them. And I got everything back. All right, so this is post checkup. And let the Izzy's out. It's way up there. So I'm gonna stop recording. I'm getting tired of holding the phone up. They way up there, like I said, in the pins. I'm not even sure if we're catching this on the video. I'm gonna get me another phone with better zoom, so I can zoom into and birds off in the pins that way. But I don't know if I'm getting them. Like I said, as I said, successful checkup. Didn't drag nothing that I know of. Maybe someone dragged and they turned back. I don't know. But I'm back, counting my birds. They're all here, and even some of the ones from the checkup up there, from the Izzy coop, that I took some from there. They're up there. They went on the checkup and they're still up there. Check that out. But anyway, they fly like crazy. Fly for a long time. Good endurance with these birds. They fly. They really fly. And again, when these birds come down, lock them down, feed them. And that's it for the day. But anyway, thanks for watching the videos. Nice checkup. I'm looking to do another checkup. I'm looking to do a few more checkups before the year's up. You know, 2020. Do a few more. And as long as I can do it, I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep tossing. Look at the birds. I don't know if you can see them. Way up there. I can barely see them. And I'm looking at them with the phone. I'm not even sure if I'm catching this. But if I am, check them out. They're up there doing their thing. They were way out there. Now they're almost over me. Anyway, birds will be up there for a while. Get over an hour. They've been flying, like I said, almost an hour and a half. And I don't know if they're coming down anytime soon. So let me just say thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I'll keep posting them up. There's more videos up, more checkups, more stock banging, whatever. I'm gonna keep doing this. You know what I mean? That's what I do, and I'm gonna keep doing it. All right. And I hope you guys enjoy it. You know what I mean? Something nice to see. You know what I mean? This is what it's all about. And the stock has been up almost 2 hours. It's like an hour 45 already that they've been flying. That's the Izzies and some Canadians. And the Levats. They got about 4 Birminghams up there. Most of the stock are Izzies. A couple strawberry tiplets, red bars, and a couple of Levats. Fly like crazy. And Birmingham was up there with them. Went right in. Boom. He got tired. Anyway, Cooper's been hitting me. Bird's been up there. Falcon hit them. Didn't get nothing. He left. Birds came low. Cooper came. They went back up. And they've been up there ever since. They went way out there. They disappeared on me a few times. It's been almost 2 hours. This is post checkup. Okay, post checkup. Let out the Izzies and the other Canadians. Ronnie said he had a bird down, so I said, well, let me go check my birds, make sure I got everything back. I got my carriers, took everything out the coop, and found that all my birds were back. So whatever he had down, I don't know whose bird he was, he said he had a print down. So I don't know if it was one of mine, but when I counted the birds, they were all here. So I don't know if it was still had it down when I told them or what, I don't know. All my birds are here, 38 strong, came home. And taking this quick video. Birds been up there for more than an hour. They're not gonna come down. It's almost 2 hours. It's been a while. Let me just say that was a good checkup. They did their thing, came home. I didn't drag nothing that I know of. Didn't drop nothing for sure. And if I did, I wouldn't catch it because the hawks over here don't let me breathe. Or don't let the birds breathe. So if the birds are low, Coopers come, chase them. So they gotta be up high. So as you see, they're super high. I'm not sure if I'm catching this, but I'm trying to. Not sure if I'm catching this, but anyway, I figured I'd record them as I talk about the checkup. It was a nice checkup. Enjoyed it. It's been 2 hours plus. Birds are still flying. See, now they're no longer way up there in the pins. They're coming down, I think. I don't know. It looked like they were lower than that a few minutes ago. Anyway, should be tired, man. They've been flying for more than 2 hours. Again, this is post checkup. Started to drizzle a little bit, and then now it looks like the sun wants to come out, which is kind of weird today. You know, it looks like it's gonna rain, look like it's not. But they're right over me, and I guess the Cooper keeps messing with them, not allowing them to come down, but they're still up there. Birds fly, man. I tell you, they fly. Shit, they already flew for the day. They don't have to fly no more today once they come down, whenever that is. Anyway, I just wanted to take one more video. The birds flying, you know, if they come down, maybe I'll take a video of the birds going in, hopefully. Alright? I'm gonna keep recording when I can. There you go. The troopers just came down. Finally. More than 2.5 hours. Cats, everything. Birminghams, Grizzles. They're all coming down. Check it out. They just landed. Just landed. They're all running in. Even Birmingham's were up there. There's red Birmingham right there. Go up there. She went on the checkup right there. Anyway, they flew for 2.5 hours plus. Even a few Birminghams, even that Birmingham. Alright, so 2.5 hours plus, and they're down, they're hungry, about to feed them. You know what I mean? And that's it. I'm gonna lock them down for today.